Welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia James. In this video, I will be doing a braid out with my micro locks. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell notification button. Enjoy. So first off, I did not realize how much my TV was showing in the back. I'm catching up on the originals, and when I'm doing my hair, I like to listen to the TV, and since I'm in front of my vanity, I can also glance at it. So yeah, I start off with obviously spritzing my hair with water. That's my rose water, and I added a little bit of glycerin to the water. I start off by putting my hair in 4 sections. I'm using goodie bands. It's just to keep the hair out of the way, and I'm just going to do it section by section. Now let me tell you, so this is not, I repeat, this is not a flat braid tutorial. If you are looking for a tutorial for flat braiding, this ain't the video. It's not my strength, but I'm gonna work with what I have here. So in the end, it's gonna have really nice results. So yeah. So this is the next day. I did not sit under a dryer. I did not use any heat, just air drying. I went to sleep that night and then I let the braids stay in the next day. I think this is probably around 5 p.m. the next day. So I've had them in for probably about 24 hours at this point. What I love about this is the fact that it shows that having locks do not limit your hairstyle options. I'm pretty much doing the same styles I did with loose natural hair. Thank you so much for watching.